Hello, Hare Krishna. Nice to see you all today. My name is Guna Manjari Devi Dasi, and I've been living in Mayapur, Sridham Mayapur, for the last 9 years. And I'm starting my own skincare business called Guna's Professional Skincare here in Mayapur. And I'm using some professional skincare devices called microdermabrasion, which is a non-invasive skincare treatment that rejuvenates the skin, resurfaces, reduces the pores, fine lines, wrinkles, makes you look much younger, feel much younger, and feel great about yourself. And for deeper issues like deeper scarring, like acne scar, or deeper fine lines, or deeper wrinkles, and maybe some deeper wounds that you may have from an accident, car accident, or falling down, or whatever trouble you had that you would like to address. And that we will do some ancient technique called micro needling, which will address those wounds. And I also have a nice technique called oxygen jet spray, which will be infused with some nice serums, Ayurvedic, some very holistic, natural, organic products to infuse the skin after the dermabrasion and the needling. So we have the clay mass, the algae mass from the France's beautiful ocean seaside, the plankton, and how they developed so we can use it on the face to rejuvenate, to infuse the skin with all the minerals that we're missing from the foods or the water or copper, peptides, or all the extra added bonuses that the skin is dying to have, all the minerals and Okay, and I'm also making my own hair oils, making my own facials, my own skincare products with infused oils with rosemary, chamomile, rose hips, just different herbs and tinctures and different combinations of skincare products that I'm also using, all organic, homemade, here in Mayapur, and also using Panchagavya for the internal root cause of the body's loss of elasticity or aging or sickness, disease, because we know that when we're internally sick, it shows up on our skin, and we can see it on our face, our behavior, fatigue, our lack of enthusiasm for life, our confidence is down, So by addressing both the internal and the external with nature's gifts from the cows, the cow urine, the dung, and the ghee, especially the ghee is so powerful, it's liquid gold. You can drink it at night in your milk, apply it on your skin. It makes you glow. It's so very soft and it makes you so beautiful and you feel so good also. And I have some beautiful skincare that has cow dung inside, and you can purify your skin, your face, your whole body. Use it as a face mask, body mask to detoxify internally and externally. So we're addressing all the body's needs, the skin's needs. Not only the external, which is just superficial, but we're addressing the root cause, which is internal, coming from basically the stomach and the intestines and cleaning all that out, the liver, the different organs, detoxifying the body, and just making you feel all around good and enthusiastic in life to carry on and interact with socially with others, devotees, doing your work nicely and